ito po ay tatlong gabi kong pinagkuyakan. Surprise po na may surprise. Kaya ako yata na surprise. Marami-rami yata.
Bro, boy, man, hindi ano
It's a point.
Dapat siguro may sounds. Soft music.
Soft music.
Soft music dapat.
Title po nito ay To the Women of Grace Church International.
Yee!
Greetings to all of you, women of God.
Amen.
This is the day that the Lord has made. For the blessings of the Almighty will be freely flowed on this kind of event that will be treasured and remembered. Just sit and relax on your chosen colored chairs. For I will not be here for a couple of an hour. Lend me your ears, all of you ladies.
Yeah!
Because I have something to say that you should not miss.
Oh.
First, the lady that I'm going to introduce is a woman of substance from whom God chooses.
Yeah.
Though we walk in the valleys and mountains of our lives, through thick and thin, we will pass this kind of strife. Kaya naman ka lang. Next on the list is our leader of the band. Siyempre, kilala niyo na po yan.
Starleya.
When she was called to pastor the land, years of prayers, of struggles, faith has been tested.
Pastora.
Victories and blissfulness now being tasted. Ito, magugustuhan niyo ito. Salmia girls. Third! You will like it. Third, to the pretty ladies of Salmia.
Wow!
Ganda ng adjective, no? In the eyes of your husbands, you are all beautiful. Inside and out, keep your life delightful. We've been connected together with a tight friendship. Laughters and tears always ends up with a sweet fellowship. Fourth, to the vibrant, energetic ladies of Parwania.
Amen!
You are called to spread the word.
Yeah.
How blessed it is we had seen your word. For there are more things to come on your endeavor. Get ready to be known and keep knocking the door.
Amen!
Original po ito.
Kinabahan ako.
Kasa dito sa... Kasa dito sa susunod, very general na. Pasensya na po ha. Fifth, to all the ladies of Abu Halipa, Amadi, Manggap, and Mahabol.
South. Lady of South. The southern
We might not be
ladies.
close or open to each other, although some of you we've known one way or another. But there is definitely something, I am sure, that we can be closer in the near future.
No.
Okay, hindi ko nabanggit, meron po dito ha. And finally, to all of you, okay? To all the mothers and expectant mothers, do you have someone? To those hopefuls to become one. To all the mothers that I love now and then, don't be mistaken. because it's all of you, my brethren.
Amen.
In the spirit of motherhood and in the unity of sisterhood, to dwell in the house of the Lord is a great joy to behold. The message is loud and clear, very simple, and so much dear. Mother knows best, as one saying goes. It is truly amazing that you all deserve an applause.
Amen.
Mother's Day po.
Galing, galing.
Maraming salamat.